The African civet Civetictus civetta is a fascinating and often misunderstood creature. Here's a comprehensive overview. Quick facts. Scientific name: Civetictus civetta. Family: Viveridae, the civet family. Habitat: Sub-Saharan Africa in woodlands, savannas, and forests near water. Diet: omnivore, one of the most omnivorous mammals in Africa. Notable for producing civetone, a musk used in perfumery. Physical description. Appearance: it has a distinctive cat-like body with short legs, a pointed muzzle, and a coarse, grizzled grayish fur with black spots and stripes. A black band runs across its eyes like a banded mask, and a dorsal crest, or mane of erectile hairs, runs down its spine, which it raises when threatened. Size: one of the largest viverids. Body: 67 to 84 centimeters, 26 to 33 in. Tail: 34 to 47 centimeters, 13 to 19 in. Weight: 7 to 20 kilograms, 15 to 44 pounds. Key feature: their perineal glands between the genitals and anus produce the fatty secretion known as civet musk. Behavior and ecology: nocturnal and solitary. They are almost entirely nocturnal, spending the day hidden in dense vegetation. They are solitary, marking large territories with their scent. Omnivorous diet: their diet is incredibly varied, including fruits, berries, small mammals, insects like termites, birds, eggs, reptiles, and even carrion. This makes them important seed dispersers, climbing and ground-dwelling. Unlike some civets, they are poor climbers and are primarily terrestrial. Defense: when threatened, they growl, cough, and raise their dorsal crest to appear larger. They are not aggressive, but can deliver a fierce bite. The civet musk and perfume. This is the most famous and infamous aspect of the animal. Civetone, the secretion from their perineal glands, is a thick, yellow paste. In its fresh state, it has a strong fecal odor. However, when highly diluted, it becomes sweet, musky, and long-lasting. Historical use: for centuries, civet was a crucial animalic fixative in perfumery, adding depth and longevity to fragrances. It was traditionally collected from captive civets in inhumane conditions on civet farms. Modern status: due to animal welfare concerns, the use of natural civet has drastically declined. Today, synthetic civetone is almost exclusively used in the perfume industry. This is a significant shift for conservation and ethics. Conservation status: IUCN Red List, currently listed as least concern due to its wide distribution. Threats: habitat loss, deforestation, and land conversion for agriculture. Roadkill, frequently killed on roads while foraging at night. Bushmeat trade, hunted for meat in some regions. Historical trapping, for the perfume trade now much reduced. Resilience: they are adaptable and can survive in fragmented habitats, which has helped their populations remain relatively stable. Cultural significance and misconceptions. Coffee Kopi Luwak misconception: the African civet is not the primary source of the famous civet coffee. That coffee comes mainly from the Asian palm civet Paradoxurus hermaphroditus in Southeast Asia. However, a similar, but much rarer and less known coffee is made in Ethiopia from the droppings of African civets that have eaten coffee cherries. In folklore, appears in various African folk tales, often as a clever trickster figure. Key points to remember: not a cat or a rodent. It's a unique viverid related to genets and mongooses. Crucial ecosystem role as an omnivore and seed disperser. The perfume connection is historical. Modern perfumes use synthetic versions due to animal welfare. It is largely secretive and harmless, playing its part in the African night. The African civet is a remarkable example of a successful, adaptable omnivore and a symbol of the complex and often problematic historical relationship between humans and wildlife for luxury products.